guys are doing great. Are you also an individual or a company or an entity involved in business-related foreign exchange or foreign securities within Indian boundaries? Then full-fledged money changer license is important for you. Let's understand that what exactly this license is. Reserve Bank of India issues the full-fledged money changer license or FFMC license under Section 10 of the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. This license must be renewed every year by filing an application to the RBI. FFMC license holders are entitled entities who buy foreign exchange from non-residents and residents of India and further sell that foreign exchange for private as well as business travel purposes only to the folks going outside the boundaries of nation. As per the provisions of Section 10 of the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, authorized money changers are the entities in India dealing in money changing pursuits and prolong the required foreign exchange services. Some firms and hotels have also been equipped with the registration to deal in the coins, foreign currency notes and travelers' checks subject to the directions issued by the Reserve Bank of India on a timely basis to eliminate the challenges that are faced by the foreign visitors and tourists. But what are the conditions to be completely satisfied to apply for FFMC license in India? The entity that applies for a full-fledged money changer license should be registered under the Companies Act 2013. The object clause of the memorandum should reflect the activity of money changing to be pursued by the company. The company needs to have a minimum net owned fund of about Rs 25 lakhs to apply for a single branch of license and a net owned fund of Rs 50 lakhs for multiple branch license. There shouldn't be any civil or criminal case pending against the company with the Department of Revenue Intelligence or Department of Enforcement. And after acquiring the FFMC license, the company must carry out its business activity in the time frame of 6 months from the issuance date of Forex license and should intimate about it to RBI. What are all the activities that FFMC may undertake? FFMCs can enter into franchise agreements at their option in order to carry on restricted money changing business. That is, conversion of foreign currency, notes, coins or even travelers' checks into Indian rupees. FFMC or franchisees can freely buy foreign currency notes as well as coins and travelers' checks from residents and non-residents. FFMCs may sell Indian rupees to foreign tourist visitors against international debit cards, international credit cards and take immediate steps to get reimbursement via normal banking channels. FFMCs can sell foreign exchange for the following purposes: private visits, business visits, forex prepaid cards. Let's understand what exactly is the procedure if you are someone who wants to go for the FFMC license. A detailed application is submitted to the concerned RBI's regional office, fit in proper criteria for the applicant, director of the applicant, FFMCs is examined and if everything is as per the satisfaction of RBI, FFMC license shall be issued in a time frame of 2 to 3 months. Now note that if any case by any law enforcing authorities is initiated or pending against any company or its directors, the company will not be considered as fit and proper and its application won't be deemed as eligible for FFMC license. Clearance by Empowered Committee. Reserve Bank's decision in the matter of granting approval or otherwise will be final and binding. Documents that are needed for making the application for FFMC license are right here if you are someone who's sitting down to go through the procedure. We need incorporation certificate copy of the latest audited accounts, audited balance sheet and profit and loss account, a certified copy of the board resolution for undertaking money changing business and other documents. Now what are the situations and circumstances in which FFMC license can be revoked by RBI? RBI reserves the right to revoke the license granted to any FFMC at any time if RBI is satisfied that it's in the public interest or welfare to do so or the FFMC has failed to comply with any condition or any of the provisions of the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. We are all set to lend you support with call assistance related to FFMC, and we will help you getting the FFMC license in a hassle-free manner. So right here, do let us know if you need any help on the given contacts numbers below, and if you need any other information, do let us know in the comment box. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.